What financial reports should every pop-up drink stand owner review? Every pop-up drink stand owner should regularly review 3 core reports: the profit and loss statement, the cash flow statement, and a daily sales summary broken down by product, since together these show whether the stand is actually making money and where the cash is going. Think of the profit and loss statement like a report card for your whole business over a set period, showing what came in from sales and what went out for cups, syrup, ice, and labor, so you can see your real profit after expenses. The cash flow statement is a little different. It tracks the actual money moving in and out day by day, because a stand can look profitable on paper but still run out of cash if customers pay late or big expenses hit all at once. A daily sales summary broken down by product is something a lot of small stand owners skip, but it is incredibly useful because it shows exactly which drinks are selling best at which times of day, so you can adjust your menu or staffing. One thing most people do not realize is that tracking sales by the hour, not just by the day, can reveal patterns like a lunch rush or an afternoon slump that completely changes how you schedule workers and prep inventory. Reviewing these reports weekly, not just monthly, helps you catch problems early before they turn into bigger losses. One common mistake is only looking at total revenue and ignoring costs like spoilage or waste, so set aside 10 minutes each week to compare your inventory purchases against what you actually sold. Another mistake is forgetting to separate fixed costs, like permits and rent for your spot, from variable costs, like ingredients, which makes it hard to know your true break-even point, so keep those 2 categories clearly labeled in your reports. A less obvious issue is not accounting for seasonal changes in demand, since a pop-up stand can look wildly profitable in the summer and then confusing in the fall. So build a simple month-to-month comparison so you are not caught off guard by slower seasons. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.